You all remember Haliey Welch, popularly known as the Hawk Tuah Girl. Well, she got involved in a pretty bad scam, and many people want her to be thrown in jail for it. Here's what happened. Haliey was just a 21-year-old living in a small town in Tennessee. She worked at a factory that made springs, used, and vending machines, living a pretty normal life. But one night, Haliey and a friend went out partying in Nashville. While they were out, they ran into a group of guys doing street interviews for a YouTube channel. They asked Haliey a question.
With her.
What's one move in bed that makes a man go crazy every time?
I want to give him that Hawk Tuah and spit on that thing.
The clip was uploaded to TikTok, and within hours, millions of people had seen it. The internet started turning the moment into memes, and suddenly Haliey became known everywhere as the Hawk Tuah Girl. But instead of running from the attention, Haliey decided to take advantage of the moment. Her social media exploded with followers. She signed with a management company, started appearing on podcasts, and even appeared on stage at a concert by Zach Bryan. She even threw the ceremonial first pitch at a New York Mets baseball game. All of that because of one viral interview. Eventually, she partnered with Jake Paul's media company and launched her own podcast called Hawk Tuah. For a while, everything seemed to be going perfectly. But then she got involved in something much riskier. Haliey partnered with a group of crypto promoters to launch her own meme coin called Hawk. Now, meme coins are cryptocurrencies based on internet jokes, and they have a reputation for being risky. Many of them end up as pump and dump schemes where influencers promote the coin. Fans invest money and then insiders sell their shares and the price crashes. Because of that reputation, Haliey tried to reassure fans in an interview with Fortune that her coin wasn't going to be a cash grab. She even gave some free tokens to fans and encouraged people to get involved before the official launch. Then the coin finally went live. At first, it looked like a massive success. The coin reportedly reached a $490 million market value. But less than 20 minutes later, something shocking happened. More than 90% of the tokens were suddenly sold, and the value of the coin crashed by about 95%. That meant if someone invested $1, they were suddenly left with about 5 cents. Thousands of fans and investors lost huge amounts of money. But according to critics investigating the situation, Haliey and the crypto promoters didn't appear to lose anything. And that's when CoffeeZilla stepped in. CoffeeZilla is a YouTuber known for exposing online scams and shady crypto projects. After watching what happened, he said the launch looked extremely suspicious. Soon after, Haliey and the crypto team hosted a Twitter Spaces call to explain the situation to angry investors. But instead of calming people down, one of the crypto promoters, a man calling himself Doc Hollywood, started arguing with critics and even insulted investors who had lost money.
A lot of negativity in the space. I think crypto brings the mentally ill into this thing, right? If you guys are in crypto, you're most likely mentally ill. And I'm going to count myself as mentally ill for even being here right now. We're trying to actually have fun. We're trying to do something cool. We're trying to give meme tokens away for free to people who have never had any crypto before, any meme token. And you guys should be kissing my ass.
Then CoffeeZilla joined the conversation.
I have questions. I'm raising my hand. Hey, guys.
What CoffeeZilla?
Hey, this is one of the most miserable, horrible launches I've ever seen in my life.
Okay, then why the f*** are you on?
I've been tracing it on chain for a while. You guys generated over $1 million in fees while y'all's fans got rug pulled. There was snipers, but there was also insider trading directly linked to y'all's creator account. What are you guys doing?
No. That's not true.
That is true. That's a fact.
No,
who profited? Over $1 million was just made.
I'm telling you, a foundation that pays people out. And by the way, CoffeeZilla, I'm not asking you, questions that are irrelevant to the most important stuff that you said. Who cares where fees go? It goes to bills. It
Well,
goes
when
to
you're charging
attorneys.
15%,
It goes to accountants. It goes to directors.
you're
It
charging
goes to
15%
staff.
on a rug pull and you're profiting from the
There's
rug
no
pull. I
rug
think it's
pull
relevant.
because we didn't pull a rug.
And in the middle of all the chaos, Haliey suddenly said she was going to bed and left the call.
Hey guys, I hate to interrupt you, Nick. Hello there. But anywho, I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Which made the situation look even worse. Now, to be clear, it's still not officially proven whether this was a scam or just a poorly managed crypto launch. But many people in the crypto world believe it was a classic rug pull. Some investors have already filed complaints with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, and there could potentially be lawsuits in the future. For now, Haliey has gone mostly silent on social media, and while many angry investors are calling for her to go to jail, that might not actually happen. But when millions of dollars disappear in minutes, people tend to start asking a lot of questions, and this story might not be over yet. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.